Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up sleep mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First we need to go to settings, then in modes and routines we have sleep mode. We can turn on automatically by adding sleeping schedule. For example, let's say we are going to sleep at midnight and we need this mode to be on for 7 hours. We can set up days, we can turn off days, we can choose alarms, vibrations, etc, etc. Don't forget to save. We can also choose do not disturb option to be on or off. We can restrict applications usage if we want to. Also we can change the visual of if our phone is in, for example, sleep mode. We can change to grayscale, dark mode, etc, etc. There is a lot to customize here. We can also change wallpaper so that at the first glance we will see that in what mode our phone is in. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.